Here's the video description you requested. Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a little organ that often gets a lot of attention, usually when it's causing trouble, the appendix. It's a bit of a mystery organ for many, and you might have heard stories about people getting theirs removed. So, what exactly is this tiny tube-like structure, and what is it even for? Let's unravel the enigma of the appendix. Imagine your intestines, the long winding tubes in your belly that handle digestion. Well, the appendix is a small, finger-shaped pouch that sticks out from the beginning of your large intestine, usually on your lower right side. It's typically only about 2 to 4 inches long, so it's pretty tiny. For a long time, scientists and doctors weren't entirely sure about its purpose. It was often considered a vestigial organ, which basically means something left over from evolution that doesn't really have a job anymore, kind of like a tailbone. However, recent research is starting to shed some light on this mysterious little guy, and it turns out it might not be so useless after all. One of the leading theories today is that the appendix might play a role in our immune system, especially early in life. Remember how we talked about your immune system being your body's defense force? Well, some scientists believe the appendix could act as a safe house for beneficial gut bacteria. Think of your gut as a bustling city, full of good bacteria that help you digest food and keep you healthy. Sometimes, after a severe illness like a bad bout of diarrhea, many of these good bacteria can get flushed out. The theory is that the appendix might serve as a protected little nook where some of these helpful bacteria can hide out and repopulate the gut afterward. It's like a hidden bunker for your good gut microbes. Another idea is that the appendix might be involved in developing certain immune cells or helping to train the immune system, particularly in younger years. It contains a lot of lymphatic tissue, which is a key part of the immune system. So, while it's not a vital organ, people live perfectly normal lives without an appendix. It seems it might have a more subtle, supportive role in maintaining our gut health and immune defenses than we once thought. So, while we're still learning all its secrets, the appendix is far from just a troublesome little pouch. It's a tiny part of your incredible body that might be quietly contributing to your overall well-being. Pretty interesting for something so small, right?